What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the apps not working issue in Xiaomi phone. So to fix this issue, first of all update apps. So for that, open Play Store, tap on your profile icon on the top right corner and then tap on manage apps and device. Now here in manage apps and device, tap on updates available option, and from here update the apps which are not working. So after updating a app, that app will start working properly. But after updating, if you are still facing the issue, then tap and hold on the app which is not working, then tap on the information icon and then go to its storage. Now clear the cache memory of the app. So to clear this, tap on clear data and then tap on clear cache and then tap on OK to confirm. And after clearing the cache memory, the app will start working properly. Now after these solutions, if you are still facing the same issue, then the last solution is check for software update. So to check that, open settings, tap on about phone and then tap on software version. Now from here check if you have any pending update. So if you have update available, then update your phone to the latest version, and after updating, the apps not working issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix apps not working issue in Xiaomi phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.